Hey, thanks for checking out this video. So I wanted to show you this awesome drum sander, open-ended drum sander that I got for 200 bucks. Crazy steal. But I found a problem with it actually, and it involves with what they did with how they mounted it to here. I'll show you. All right, so from this view, you can kind of see just how bowed this stand is. Now, it happened for a couple of reasons. One, the weight is in the center here, not over the wheels. And then two, both of all of the wood lamination is in the same direction. Well, I guess on the outsides they're not, they're down. But here on the inside, they're both cupping in the same direction, which loses strength. Also, the gap or the full length of the board doesn't provide as much support too. If this was ripped in half and then switched, it would be much stronger as well, or at least more resistance to bowing. But my plan is, because these are lag bolted right here, that I am going to just cut square out and then lag bolt them in the center, and it'll be a smaller footprint overall. So let's get started. Have you ever done anything that made you question everything? That's kind of it. So I have a long pivot point. I wish I had more leverage, something back here. But this is about 200 pounds. These rollers can hold 250 each. They're all the way in the bottom most position that they can go. And this is a nice strong beam of steel, right? It's a hollow channel, but it's still steel. The only thing I have that's working against me right now is how top heavy this machine is. So I have the bar as centered as possible, and I'm just gonna go slow. All right, so did not think this through, because if I had a way to stabilize it, it would have been better. Luckily, I have shit everywhere in my garage. I'll just lean on that for now. Whew. All right, pucker factor is like a 6. I've had much worse. That's holding for right now. All right, so for safety reasons and security, right? So I have straps that go up to the rafters in the garage, one on the other side. It's really not holding a lot of weight. It's just preventing it from going one way or the other. Now I feel confident enough that like this has all the weight. This is not gonna fall on me. So now I'll go in and remove the platform, cut everything up, and then reattach it. So much better than a socket. All right, another big thing was locking the casters before I put them down. Put them in the same direction. Yeah! Woo. All the weights centered over each of the casters. I think it rolls a little bit better than it did before, being that all the weight's straight down. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and if you are interested in ABC woodworking for your young kids, it is available on Amazon, link in the description. Thank you for watching.